Atmanamaste, dear soul crafters. Welcome to my exclusive video podcast, Soul Crafting with Tanushri, Crafting Your Inner Awareness. Hi, I'm Tanushri Nair, your energy mastery and mindset specialist, and author of the book Bring Out That Red Lipstick, certified life coach, and an energy healer. I am on a mission to enable and empower 100,000 women to discover their innate feminine energy balance for success, well being, leadership through my Inner Shakti blueprint in 90 days. Today is the beginning of a brand new season, season 2, the Conscious Feminine Energy Leadership Series. I'm absolutely thrilled and excited to be here to bring this new season and series. A quote which I heard somewhere says, true leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. It resonates with me so much. This podcast is for all those people who are in the daily grind of life, who need a hand to learn self mastery of their thoughts, emotions, and inner self, and move to the next level of achieving the purpose of life. Join me as I share, discuss, and ruminate how to carve out that heroine's journey with my esteemed guests to maximize your inner potential, to bring out your inner divine Shakti leader. This channel is for all those who are seeking an inside out transformation. Hi, it's great to catch up with all my listeners. After a short break, here I am with my season 2 of the video podcast show Soul Crafting with Tanushri on International Women's Day. This new season is all about conscious feminine energy leadership, and I'm so excited about this. So, what do you mean by conscious feminine leadership? That is all what we are going to unravel this season. The most simplest explanation, though, is how to cultivate leadership environment of we over me. A conscious leader brings their whole and complete awareness to the leadership position. It is not about what the leader says, but what the leader is listening to. Conscious feminine leadership taps into the innate potential of expansive feminine energy, that what we call as the Shakti energy, to bring in intuitiveness, connectedness, compassion, empathy, passion, authenticity, to balance the masculine energy or the Shiva energy of order, analytical, logical, structured growth of individuals, of organizations, of economies, in short, the whole world. Don't miss to like, subscribe, share this channel to be connected in the coming days for the new episodes where we discuss all this to learn how you can develop your conscious leadership skills. I will also be bringing in different experts in their domain who will share important nuggets and insights into their leadership journey. So stay tuned and don't miss any episode. Dear listeners and viewers, you can head over to my website for all the episodes of season 1 and the upcoming season 2 at www.tanushrinayar.com/podcast, or connect with me on my FB page, YouTube channel Tanushri Nair, on Instagram as @soulfullivingwithtanushri. My book, Bring Out That Red Lipstick, is also available on all leading online stores, amazon.in.com.co.uk. Both Kindle and paperback versions are available as well on Kobo and Google Play too. If you read it, please do not miss posting a review on Amazon for me to see. Thank you for joining me on today's episode, and until we meet again, stay safe, stay inspired, and you're all loved. Peace, love, and light. Your host Tanushri, signing off.